Made my way out onto the boardwalk. Looks nice and empty. I'm gonna go for a couple mile run and then finish in the pool. Quite a view overlooking this lagoon. Just show how expansive the whole boardwalk area is. It starts at the dance hall. You can see the dolphin peeking up over there. But here's the boardwalk. And it just continues and continues and continues and continues and continues. Straight ahead over there, the blue, that's the beach club, another resort. And then over there, the white, yacht club, another resort. All within walking distance to Epcot and Hollywood Studios. Started the watch. Check out some sights as I run. So that's where they do some weddings. We've seen one on a previous trip taking place. The big pirate ship. That's the Stormalong Bay pool. That's the slide. Takes you into that pool. And then up here, you should be able to look over this bridge and see Epcot, the International Gateway. This. Up close look at the beach club resort. Looking back over at the boardwalk resort. Over at the yacht club now. Another great resort. Turn the corner and take a peek at the boardwalk again. Straight ahead. Very nice. Love running at Disney. Take that pathway over there and that'll take me right to Hollywood Studios. Might run there another time. doing a lot of construction and refurbishment. This was ESPN sports bar. Looks like it still is. I think they're just updating the facade. Back around the wedding pavilion. Great views. Back over the International Gateway. Can't wait to go in there later today. Back towards the beach club. There's the beach. So this pool, I believe, is shared between the Yacht and the beach club. The Stormalong Bay pool. Oh, what's cool about it is it's a sand bottom. And I think it's the biggest pool on Walt Disney World property. Right here, looks like they're replacing some of the boards. Constant upkeep, constant maintenance. Back towards the boardwalk. Might head over towards the Swan. Yeah, we'll see. Go over this bridge and see which way I want to turn or not turn. I've already ran down by the dolphin before. Okay, there's the entrance to the boardwalk. I'm going to continue straight towards the Swan. And that's the newest. It's the Swan Reserve. Straight ahead. And that right there is the walkway to Hollywood Studios. Looks like there's a little pool right here. There's a pool bar. Shot of the newest pool over at the Swan Reserve. Doing a little turn around here. Probably head back on the boardwalk. Let me go over here since I'm here. Take a little quick peek. See where the sidewalk even takes me. There it is. Swan Reserve. Back here, but I'm just seeing where this takes me. Right up past where it looks like it's gonna take me to the dolphin. The back of the dolphin. Mile 2. Make my way back over to the boardwalk. So it looks like the Dolphin has a convention area too. Let's see where I gotta go. Let's go here. And I guess I should go through here. Actually, I think this is the convention center. You can kind of just tell by the look. I guess that was the main check-in behind me. Not sure what should be over here. Back of the convention center. I'm just trying to get to the boardwalk. It's the parking area for the yacht club. And then this is, yeah, this is the yacht club. Probably see a main entrance sign. Active cast member entrance. No real clue where I am right now, other than the fact that I know I'm behind the beach club. Trying to make my way back into that inner area around the lagoon. Just finished my 3-mile run around the boardwalk area and the resorts around it, like the beach club, the yacht club, Swan, Dolphin, Swan Reserve. Now I'm somewhere where I'm trying to get back to the resort. I don't really know what I'm under, so stay tuned. Well, there's some Skyliners. And I guess I'm in the France area because there's the Eiffel Tower. Not quite sure how that worked out, but I ended up over at the boardwalk, which is great because that's where I am staying. So that's where I wanted to end up anyway. I'm just not sure how to get to the pool from here. Jill's at the pool. So go over here. They have a conference center here too, at the boardwalk. This resort is huge. I would have to say it's probably the size of the yacht and the beach club put together, and maybe even bigger.